Whiskey 6, Whiskey 6, Whiskey 6, Whiskey 6, Whiskey 6, Romeo India Papa, calling CQ POTA, CQ POTA, CQ POTA, Whiskey 6, Romeo India Papa, calling CQ POTA. The hell? Kilo 9 station again.
Roger, Kilo 9, India Charlie Papa. That's Kilo 9, India Charlie Papa. Over.
Okay, I got a Kilo 9 India Charlie Papa. India Charlie Papa. You are a 5858 in San Bernardino National Forest. Thank you.
Roger, Roger. I have 55 Indiana. 55 Indiana.
Roger the 55 Indiana. Good to hear I'm getting out. You're my first contact. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, 73.
73 QRZ W6RIP calling CQ CQ CQ. Parks on the air.
Alpha Charlie 7 Sierra Victor.
At Alpha Charlie 7 Sierra Victor, great signal. You are a 5858.
58, and you are a 5959 into Northwest Washington State. You've got a great signal there.
Oh, Roger, Roger. Thanks for the feedback on that. I appreciate that. You're my second contact and finally getting out. Thank you, sir. 73.
Yeah, you're doing great. Enjoy your day. Thanks for your activation.
Nice. Washington. Washington's always fucking great. Washington's always good here. Whiskey 6, Romeo India Papa on CQ, CQ. Parks on the air, parks on the air.
Kilo 2, Mike Alpha Bravo.
I got a Kilo 2 Mike Alpha Bravo. You are 5959. Over.
Roger that. Hey, you're doing a nice 555 here to Southwest Missouri. You have yourself a great day at 7-3.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for Missouri. And good to hear you. 73. W6RIP, QRZ. November 5, again.
November 5, Victor Mike November, 55 Arkansas.
Copy, Arkansas. November 5, Victor Mike November. Copy, Arkansas. Thank you. You are a 5555. Over. Roger, 73. Thank you. QRZ, W6RIP, parks on the air. W6RP calling CQ, CQ, CQ. Parks on the air, parks on the air. POTA, POTA. I think I got like 4 contacts. I should have Whiskey 8 station again.
Whiskey Juliet Sierra.
Okay, got a Whiskey 8, Whiskey Juliet Sierra. You are a 5555, San Bernardino National Forest. Over.
Whiskey 8, Whiskey Juliet Sierra. I have you at about a 4343 Western Ohio.
Roger the 43 Ohio. Roger 43 Ohio. Thank you for that contact. Thank you very much, sir. 73.
Alrighty, 73, have fun.
43. Whiskey 6, Romeo India Papa, QRZ. Again. Okay, got an Alpha Charlie 5 Oscar Charlie. You are a 5555. Over. Roger the 33 in Arkansas. Thank you, Dale. Appreciate the contact. 73. I love this thing. Pops right up, gives her fucking QRZ. Using hammers for like maybe the second time, but this is dope. Call people by their name, that means something. I like doing that. It's pretty cool. After I get these in, I'm probably move into the shade. I should probably be in the shade right now, to be honest. I got enough coax. It could be right there. Ooh. W6RP calling CQ, CQ, CQ. Parks on the air, parks on the air, parks on the air. Arkansas, Indiana, Wisconsin, Washington. I don't know about Wisconsin. Ohio. Those are cool.
Kilo Echo 7, November Lima uniform.
Kilo Echo 7. Kilo Echo 7 again.
Kilo Echo 7, November Lima uniform. I have you about a 5555 Montana QSL.
Oh, Roger the 55 Montana. That's awesome. You're a 59 down here in Southern California.
I copy 59 into the park. Hey, thanks for activating there and have a great day, 73.
Thank you, 7-3. My original plans this week was to go up to Yellowstone, but I'm going to wait till September. But awesome getting Montana. Thank you, sir. 7-3.
You bet, 73. Have a good day.
Cool.
November 5, Kilo Sierra Sierra.
Got a November 5 Kilo Sierra Sierra. You are a 5656. Over.
QSL, I have you a 5252 into southern Mississippi, Mike Sierra.
Oh, Roger the 5-2 in Mississippi. Thank you for Mississippi. I appreciate that. And 7-3. Dude, come on, fly. Are you serious? You will die. Dude, you will not win. I will hear you and I will ninja you through the fucking heart, motherfucker. Flies and bugs, geez Louise. Whiskey 6, Romeo India Papa calling CQ, CQ, CQ. Parks on the air.
Kilo Oscar 4, Oscar Charlie Lima, KO4 OCL.
Okay, Roger that. That's a kind of a new one. I've never seen KO before. KO for Oscar Charlie Lima. You're a 5858. Over.
Roger, Roger. I got you about a 3333 into Alabama, Alpha Lima, QSL.
Oh, QSL 33 Alabama. Copy that. Thank you, sir. I appreciate Alabama. 7-3.
73, enjoy the park. Have fun.
Nice. Been a pretty good Montana, Alabama. That's, dude. I need effing bug spray. So I had bug spray, but it turned black. So it's like really old. Yeah, it turned black. It's pretty awesome. It didn't smell like DEET anymore. I need backups for backups. I just need some backups. Dude, this fly is like a Terminator. Come on, dude. Ooh, oh, it's about time to. Dude, psychos. Dude, come on, sucker, land. Gotcha. Look at that. Oh, you're dead, bitch. Ah, I told you. Those little tiny bugs. So I'm gonna save that and I'm gonna feed it to my Venus flytrap at home. Oh. So what I'm doing right now is to get a cell phone signal. I have my WeBoost, and you know, if you don't know what a WeBoost is, it's an antenna that goes up on your vehicle and it takes the signal down and transmit it out of another small antenna in your truck, in your vehicle. So I have the WeBoost on. It's running on battery powder. I got another lithium battery in there, I'm talking about later. And then I have another phone, and the phone is transmitting a hotspot to this. So I could actually be like running a tablet or anything else. It's basically my phone's running a hotspot, so I can get signal from the WeBoost down into the truck, and then from the truck Wi-Fi to my phone. Yeah. But if it was just the phone itself, there'd be no signal here, or it'd be in and out sporadically. Whiskey 4 Hotel Papa. That's an easy one. You are 5959. Over.
4 by 2 in Tennessee. Chattanooga, Tennessee. 4-2, Chattanooga, Tennessee. Over.
Copy the 4-2 Tennessee. You got a great signal coming in from Tennessee. I appreciate that contact. Thank you very much. 7-3. Nice. So I'm getting around. The bounce is good. It's not bad at all. In Southern California, Alabama, Tennessee, Ohio, Indiana, Montana, Washington. It's pretty good. I mean, it's a pretty good 20-meter bounce. W6RIP calling CQ, 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 parks on the air, parks on the air. Might need to try 40. Hey, so parks on the air, camped here last night. 4463, K4463, San Bernardino National Forest. Come up here all the time. Lots of birds, really pretty. Haven't done video in forever. And, you know, just took a creative dump. Got busy with other things and just couldn't really process creativity anymore. It was weird. You know, it happens to everybody, I guess. But not some of you studs out there. Some of you studs are freaking animals. And I don't know how you do it. But roger that. Yeah, parks on the air. I think did some photography last night, some astro. Bugs everywhere out here. I'm packing up, getting the hell out of here. But if I got some cool photos, here they are.